Hi there. Have you ever wondered how wise people handle toxic relationships? They don't fight, they don't argue, they simply cut off people silently. And today we are diving deep into how they do it, step by step. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. If you've ever struggled with negative people draining your energy, keep watching because you're about to learn the art of silent detachment the smart way. So, here are 4 simple steps to take you there. 1. Stop arguing. Be wise and know that arguing with toxic people is like wrestling in the mud. You get dirty and they enjoy it. Instead of engaging, simply smile, nod, and walk away. Think about it. How many times have you wasted energy explaining yourself to someone who doesn't even want to understand? So, next time, just stop. Let your peace be your response. Step number 2, reduce access. Wise people don't announce their exits. They just quietly step back. Stop answering every call, replying instantly, or sharing your lives with the wrong people. Picture this. You are the CEO of your life. Would you let negative people sit in the VIP section? No way. So, start limiting their access. Not everyone deserves a front row seat. Step number 3. Observe, not absorb. When negativity is thrown at you, you are wise enough not to absorb it. You just observe. Imagine someone criticizing you. Pause, take a deep breath, and decide if their opinion even matters. Does this person pay your bills? No. Do they walk your journey? No. Then why let them affect your peace? Step number 4. Focus on growth. Yes, the best revenge. Success and happiness. You are a wise person, so don't dwell on negativity. Instead, invest your time in learning, growing, evolving. Instead of wasting energy on toxic people, channel it into your goals. So next time someone tries to bring you down, ask yourself, is this worth my energy? If not, move on. Your future is calling. And there you have it, the secrets behind how wise men and women cut off people silently. So, which step resonated with you the most? Let me know. And yes, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, protect your peace, focus on your growth, and let your silence speak louder than words. Till next time, I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling.